Hi guys, welcome to Teachers In. Today we'll discuss about Alliance University. Here PhD admission notification has already announced for 2021-2022 for various departments. So let's go to their official website and we'll see the details. Before I start, I would like to say our channel is fully dedicated to them, those who wants to be a good teacher, professor, lecturer in their future. Here we discuss all teachers related studies, competitive exams and jobs. So I'll request everyone to please subscribe our channel and follow our social media sites so that whatever notification will come, you will get it easily. So you can see here, this is the official website of Alliance University, and this is located in Bangalore, Karnataka. This is a private university. So here you can see the programs options is there, so we have to click on that. Then here you can see some options are there: undergraduate, postgraduate and doctoral. So we have to click on this doctoral program. In doctoral program, if you come little bit down, you can see here there are a lot of departments are there, like Alliance School of Business, Alliance School of Engineering and Design and Alliance School of Law. So PhD admission is open for all these three departments: management, engineering and science and law. So we'll discuss one by one. First we'll go to PhD in management. So this is the PhD in management page. You can see here that eligibility criteria: master's degree with 55% marks and 50% marks for SC/ST. Apart from this, for management, particularly for management, you should have minimum 2 years of work experience, and you have to clear Alliance Research Aptitude Test. Then you can go through that overview of the program, then program duration, award of the PhD program, then silent feature. All these things are here. Coursework. Then you can do your PhD in marketing, management science, marketing, finance, human resource management and system and operation. Okay, so these are the subjects you can do your PhD here. If you have any query regarding the admission in management department, you can give a call and or you can send a mail to them also. So now here you can see one option is there: application and admission process. So once you click here, you will come to this page, and here you can see the details of that eligibility criteria. Whatever I discussed, the same eligibility criteria it has mentioned. Then you can see the admission procedure. Admission procedure, you can click here directly for online application, and application fee will be 3000 rupees. Okay. Then admission dates and calendar. This is the very important thing. You can see here the regular application round, that the last date for online application is 30th June 2021. Okay. Then the program commencement is July 2021. Here one important notes you can see here: before applying to the program, kindly share your mark sheet of class 6, class 12, graduation, post graduation, work experience letter, and upload curriculum vitae to this mail ID. Okay, then we will get back to you about your eligibility, post which you can fill the application form. So first you have to upload your all certificates, experience, whatever is there, you have to send through this mail ID. Then they will get back to you. If you are eligible, then you can apply here. If you are not eligible, they will confirm. Okay, then selection process you can see here. First one is the ARAT, Alliance Research Aptitude Test. Then personal interview will be there. Then you can go for final selection. Then fee structure, you can see the fee structure, then EMI option, then terms and conditions, then office hours, everything it has mentioned. Then we will go to the next one. Here next one is the Alliance College of Engineering and Design. So here you can see the criteria is same, like master's degree with 50% marks, or for SC/ST it is for general it is 55, and for SC/ST it is 50%. Then again you have to go through that ARAT test. Then overview, you can see the overview, course duration, everything. And you can do your PhD in computer science and engineering, electronics and communication engineering, electrical and electronics engineering, information technology, mechanical engineering, physics, chemistry and mathematics. So total 8 subjects are there, 8 departments are there. So you can do your PhD in this 8 department or subjects. Then for online application, you have to click here. Again you will be in this same page. You can check your eligibility criteria, application procedure, application calendar. So in application calendar, you can see here the last date is 30th June 2021. So same notification, you have to send your all certificates and experience letter. For this thing, for engineering, experience is not required. So you have to send your all certificates to this mail ID. They will go through it. If it is eligible, then you can go ahead. So again, we'll go to that another department, that is called Law, Alliance School of Law. So we have to click here. So this is the eligibility: master's degree in LLM of any branch with a minimum 55% mark. For SC ST 50% mark. There is no experience required. Okay, so this is the full time. Then unit first, unit second, unit third, unit, everything has mentioned here. Again, if you want to apply here, then you have to go to this button, then this same page will come. Then you have to check your eligibility. You can see here admission procedure, then selection criteria. This is also same date, last date is June 30 2021. Okay, so if you are interested for this university, this is one of the finest university, private university in Bangalore. So if you are interested for this university, then you can apply here. Okay, and for you can check your availability first, then you can apply here. Okay, so these are the details, and those who are interested, they can apply here. I will give this link in my description. You people can access there from directly. And those who have not subscribed our channel, please subscribe our channel. We will give you this kind of information as soon as possible. So thank you, all the best.